Hello YouTube, I just noticed that Space Mercs, an indie space shooter, used some of my voices, some of my sounds that I made years ago, and I just wanted to show that off. There we go. That's one of mine. And there... freaking heck. Okay, there it was again. Now here's the voice pack, and I just realized this is actually GPL and CC by SA. So the game actually has to be open source for it to be used legally. There it is. Darn, I didn't even realize that. I thought it was just CCBI or whatever. Yeah, they don't have any credits here. Here's credits. And there's no credits here. Darn, sucks. Ugh, I guess I'll have to just contact them. Alright, so here's the sound in question. Artil action. Artil action. So it's the exact same sound. But there's no credits, and I'm sure this is not copylefted. Oh, I think this one is also one of them. Destroyer template. Well, on one hand it's cool to have my sounds used in a game, but on the other hand it kind of sucks that the license was ignored. Actually just wanted to show off that it was being used. Now I have to deal with that. Meh. Anyway, see you in the next video. Until then, ciao!